Hi all, as you can see, I'm at the new Merthyr market at St Tudful Shopping Centre, which will open its doors on Saturday the 13th of December. Phase 1 of the opening will see the current traders relocating from the old upstairs market down to their new units, with more businesses joining them in the new year, including some mouth-watering Instagram-worthy food offerings. I'm so excited to welcome traders old and new to the facility, and hope you as residents will enjoy it also. This Christmas, we got the perfect opportunity to make a real difference. By shopping local, we're not just buying gifts, we're supporting our community and our neighbours. Phase 2 of our budget consultation is still open. We have roadshows coming up in Home Bargains on Tuesday the 9th of December and Merthyr Tudful Leisure Centre on Tuesday the 16th of December. Be sure to keep your eyes peeled on our social media channels and website for any other updates. If you can't make one of our roadshows, don't worry. You can always take part online. 2 years ago, on the 4th of December 2023, the Town Centre Hub opened its doors with a mission to support our community. Since then, they proudly helped over 21,000 people with things such as employment, training and apprenticeship opportunities, housing support, welfare and benefits advice, and digital skills and online support. That's all from me this week, so take care, have a great weekend, and tune in for next Friday's update. Diolch.